Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can change the graphics settings for a particular application you want. For example, if you have a computer or a personal computer and you want to have a game, for example, like you want to download like Fortnite, and it has high capabilities than your computer, you might want to reduce its settings, like its graphics settings, so that it can run properly in your machine. So this is how you're going to do it. First of all, you're going to go to the search box, and then you're going to write in settings. It should be right over here. And then you're going to have to type in settings. Once it has come, all you have to do is to press on it. Now next on the interface we'll be saying we are going to go where it's written system. It should be the first one. Then you're going to press on it or click on it. Now once it has arrived, you should see that you are in the display part, because this is where we'll be changing in the graphics settings for that particular application that you want. So once there, you're going to have to scroll down. Then you're going to go where it's written graphics settings, should be below advanced display settings. Then you're going to click on it. So once it's done, they will tell to choose an app to set preference. For example, let me choose you can choose a desktop app or the Microsoft Store. If you have an application on your Microsoft Store account, then you can press on it, and then you're going to change its graphic settings. If you don't have it and the application that you want is located onto your desktop, this is where you're going to have to click. So now we are going to browse. I'm going to browse and see which application I want. For me, I want this one, PES 2013. Then I'm going to click here, add. So now, as you can see, it has been added. Now the next part is to change its graphic settings. All I have to do is to go where it's written options. Then I'm going to click on it. Now you should see like 3 different preferences, such as letting the Windows decide, or power saving, or high performance. This will entirely depend on you. You can power saving, it will help a lot because it will not consume a lot of battery of the computer. You can also choose high performance, but high performance will decrease your battery at some point, because if you choose high performance and your battery must like last 3 hours, it will last like 2 hours, so 1 hour will be removed. So you will choose what you want. After that, you have to press here on the save button to save your changes. So basically that's it for today, and thanks for watching.